Like, like I don't feel like this. Maybe like a set, like one of these and one of these.
Yeah.
I literally don't give a shit. I'm a Capricorn, so
What does that mean?
we don't give a shit. Yeah.
Damn.
What's up, y'all? It's Miracle with Shane back with another video. And today we is at IKEA. It's the bit. Y'all say hey. This table's cute. These chairs is ugly though.
Nope.
They could have did better with the head. Do you like that little thing? This little rack thing right here? Damn. This is for like what, this whole setup thing right here? Oh. I be wondering what this for. This is cute, this little table.
Yeah.
This lighting is control. I feel like a kid. Let's look at some stuff. Look how small this refrigerator is. 200? It's giving like for small spaces.
I like this. Cause I'm trying.
200?
Yeah. Look at
Like
this
it.
tray.
200? Is this the freezer? This give like mini fridge on the bottom. You would put this in your room?
I would.
Look at this little cart thing. They got shelves. You know you want one though.
You look good, man. You look good.
Somewhat. Alright y'all, I'm gonna come back when you see some stuff that's cute. Because I don't see nothing right now. We're looking at kitchen stuff. And it's boring. But I look cute in my yellow fit today. I have to say I like the hair. Let me see. Oh, that's cute. That's what my dresser looks like, the top of my dresser. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty freaking cool.
Yeah. Did you see like it?
But the curtain?
See, this is what I was talking about. Yeah, it's tight. I like that separation. Yeah, I like that curtain, honey.
Like,
Where we get that at? Come, Trey, we go.
I don't know. It's like mesh though. Yeah, you could probably find that on Amazon.
That's a tension rod too, ain't it?
They come in your room, but
You
like,
put a curtain.
oh, that's cute.
Whiteboard.
But this,
Yeah, that's a whiteboard, so they don't see your goals.
girl, that's supposed to be like a fake window.
No, it's not.
I think so.
Is it still checking though?
I know.
That was to hide this stuff.
No, that is a good idea. I like these little rack things, but I feel like it would look cluttered if I were to try to put.
I'm getting them on. Did you see the price for the rod?
This little desk is cute.
$20. 20. I want it. You could do that.
That's nice.
How do you make it go back down?
Is there two? I think you just didn't push it down hard enough.
Make it go up.
It pop up fast, like quick, like easy.
Mine.
Look at this laptop desk stand. I need one of these. And they get low too, like, let me see. Cut this. Cinnamon, what's the matter? What's the matter, mommy? What's the matter? This looks like a movie setup. Oh yeah, there go my dresser right there. With the little frosted jar. Look at this bathroom, y'all. Oh, this is cute. This is what we need. Is some storage. Mom, look at this mirror cabinet. This is what we need right here. Wow, this storage. You see this? Look at that. That's tight, huh? I like that. You could put your Nani.
I thought that was simple.
What is wrong with you?
That was
Retarded. No. Some shelves like this. Just like store my supplies and stuff, or should I get like some plastic drawers things? Oh, that tea. I don't want that. Not this big one, but like a smaller version. Oh, that. Kinda. That's still kind of big. I like the green one.
Yeah.
Thinking the green one. Put some stuff in there. For my business stuff.
I know. That's how I'm looking at it.
That's kind of tight. I could put some drawers in there, some like file and stuff. But then it's like, I don't be wanting that big old bulky stuff, because I feel like it's going to take up space. Drawer, you see those drawers over there? I like how it's a cabinet.
So what?
I like these. This is what I was talking about. Like, I want something like this. Maybe like a set, like one of these and one of these. But I gotta see how I want it. And they don't have black. What is that? That's not even black. That's like brown, huh?
Black brown. That's cute.
They need brown. I like these. They all like the look. Yeah, I want unless I might have to get white ones.
Yeah, I was worried about it. This is how they were making their vanities.
I know. And they put the little shelf on top. This where the light is. I want to get me like a new chair or something. But not none of these. These kind of ugly. All these chairs is ugly. I want a cute chair. What is it called? Alex drawer? Cause yeah, I want this. I'm finna show y'all what I want for my stuff. But it's hella big. Like, look at how big that is. But yeah, I want one of these. I kind of like, are they the same? Yeah, they're the same. And I want one of these. Like, I want to set like one of these or one of these. I feel like that'd be hard. That would be freaking hard. They got it. Yeah. But I don't want to get it yet. I want to see how I set my room up first. And then we gonna see. We'll show y'all.
Yeah, use the window shopper.
That's what I want right there. Oh, look at that one. It's like bigger. You see it? Y'all see how much wider this one is? This one is wider. Oh, you see that other one? Compared to the skinny one. And then look how tall this is. Yeah, I got it. That one's too tall. That's perfect. Y'all, this strap is eating my shoulder up. We looking at chairs and stuff right now. I don't even see. It ain't nothing in here for real. I don't see no super cute chairs. These like kitchen stuff. It's like kitchen stuff. They all looking at stuff. Look at this bowl. Finna sit down. They playing. I'll be back, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. This lighting is cute. I'm ready to go look at like the storage bins and all that type of stuff because that's the type of stuff that I want. So I'm waiting for them. Alright, girl. Watch. It's like a freezer. That's tight. Let me see. This whole aesthetic, this give deal.
Filters with refrigerators.
Yeah, look at this kitchen. Look at like the air like.
Filters with refrigerators.
It's supposed to be like touchscreen. It's like a touchscreen stove top. That's cute.